Okay, for number 30, we basically have a slope question here, and it's basically asking us to identify what the slope represents, not even for us to find the slope. It says during a recent snowstorm, there's 4 inches of snow at 3 and 6 inches of snow at 7. Um, so if we think about this, what would the slope of these values represent? Um, we go from 3 inches at, was it 3 inches? I'm sorry, 4 inches at 3 p.m. to, I'm just going to write it so we can see a little bit more clearly, 6 inches at 7 p.m. Think about slope, comparing x to y here. Um, in the interval of, how long does this take? 4 hours, from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. How much snow fell? 2. Okay, 2 inches of snow fell over an interval of 4 hours. If we were to actually divide that out, that would tell us that every hour, 1/2 of an inch is falling. And that's kind of our slope here. That's not the answer. But just showing you here. Now, what does this represent? What does the slope represent? That's more what they're concerned about here. The slope in this case would represent the rate of change. Or more specifically, the amount of snowfall per 1 hour. Just like in terms of x and y, slope refers to the vertical or horizontal change per one x value. Same thing here, now with some real world context. The amount of snowfall per hour, per 1 hour. Okay, which happens to be 1/2 an inch. You did not have to actually calculate that to get this correct. Even just putting what we did at the very bottom earned you a full 2 out of 2 for number 30.